Good morning to all my dear children. Hope you all are doing well and safe. So children, we have already learnt about the beginning sound. So today we will practice it one more time. So children, this is our English notebook. At first, write today's date. So today's date is
12th January 2021.
And after that, write CW classwork. And our question is, write the beginning sound. So children, now I am going to show you some pictures. And then we have to write the beginning sound of that picture. Now take a look at the first picture. What is this, children? This is a cat.
Cat, cat.
The beginning sound I hear in the word is k. K is the beginning sound, or you can say that first sound in cat. So children, C says k. Now here we will write the letter C. C-A-T, cat, cat. And next we have, what is this, children? This is a sun.
Sun, sun.
The beginning sound I hear in the word is S. S is the beginning sound, or you can say that first sound in sun. So children, S says S. So here we will write the letter S. S-U-N, sun, sun, sun. Now let's move on to the another one. What is this, children? This is a net.
Net, net.
Now tell me, children, what is the beginning or first sound we heard in the word net? The beginning sound I hear in the word is
is the beginning sound in net.
So children, N says N. So here we will write the letter N. N-E-T, net, net, net. And next we have, what is this, children? This is a jug.
Jug, jug.
Now tell me, children, what is the beginning or first sound we heard in the word jug? The beginning sound I hear in the word is J. J is the beginning sound in jug. So children, J says J. So here we will write the letter J. J-U-G, jug, jug. Now let's move on to the another one. What is this, children? This is a ball.
Ball, ball.
The beginning sound I hear in the word is B. B is the beginning sound, or you can say that first sound in ball. So children, B says B. So here we will write the letter B. B-A-L-L, ball, ball. Okay children, that's all for today. Do your work neatly and keep practicing. Thank you.